In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and manage a Jira timeline roadmap inside Atlassian Cloud. If you've ever tried to track releases, quarterly goals, and major development milestones through long backlog lists or messy spreadsheets, you already know how quickly things can become confusing. A timeline view gives you a much clearer picture by showing your work visually across a calendar, helping your team understand priorities, dates, and dependencies at a glance. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your company's Atlassian Cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, open the software or product project you want to manage. This is where your roadmap data will live, so make sure you're entering the correct active workspace before moving on. Inside the project, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen and find Timeline. Click it once to open the native timeline view. When it loads, you'll see a split layout, your issue list on the left and a calendar-style planning grid on the right. This is the main workspace where you'll create and organize your roadmap. To add a high-level epic, go to the bottom of the left panel and click the option to create an epic. Enter a clear, professional title that describes the initiative well. Keep the name concise so it remains readable and useful for everyone reviewing the roadmap later. Once the epic is created, it needs dates. Move to the calendar area on the right. Find the row for that epic, then click and drag across the timeline to create a bar. This bar represents the planned duration of the work. It's a simple visual way to place your initiative into a delivery window without manually typing dates into fields. If plans change, you can refine the schedule very easily. Hover over either end of the epic bar until the resize handles appear, then drag left or right to shorten or extend the timeline. Jira updates the dates as you adjust, which makes it much faster to keep plans current. Next, map dependencies. Hover over an epic bar and look for the dependency connector. Click and drag that connector onto another epic bar to create a link. This helps you show which initiatives rely on others and makes risks easier to spot during planning. If you want to expand an epic into child work without leaving the timeline, click the small arrow beside the epic to open its nested area. From there, you can quickly add stories or tasks in line, or use the AI shortcut by typing /AI to help generate child issues more efficiently. Before wrapping up, review the full timeline carefully. Confirm that your epic titles are clear, your bars are positioned correctly, and your dependencies connect the right work items. A quick final check helps ensure your roadmap is clean, accurate, and ready to share with stakeholders. That's it for this walkthrough, and I'll see you in the next video.